Welcome to Rockville. Listen to this thing idle. I did all that riding in this video with the fuel shut off. It just ran out as I pulled up here. Pretty fuel efficient Kawasaki KDX250, but the real magic on this one is it's 572 miles, and it was ridden through the cornfields and on the streets of Iowa, where it came from the Kevin Pearl collection, 23 bikes. This was pretty much the crown jewel. If not the crown jewel, it's on the podium as one of the nicest bikes from the collection. No one's ever been into the engine on this bike. Never had a bolt turn. Never had to do anything to the engine because, well, it's not worn out yet. It's still like brand new. The original exhaust is in mint condition. Show them the bottom of the bike too. It's as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. The only thing that was done to it was a new air filter. Carb was rebuilt, cleaned, and new fuel lines and fresh fuel, new spark plug, and new gear lube. Everything else inside that engine is new. That's the original fuel tank on this bike, which is remarkable. Most Cowie tanks go downhill pretty quick. This one's 45 years old. It still looks like new. Original saddle, original exhaust. This is absolutely the nicest 1980 KDX250 I've ever seen in the last 30 years. He did upgrade the front and rear fender to a brand new front and rear fender. He also put some ODI grips on it and a new Outlaw clutch perch and lever and a matching front brake lever. These are the original cables. They look brand new. The tires are also upgraded to a brand new set of Michelin Star Cross 5 tires, front and rear. So they have the hairy nubs on them with the new tubes, new tires. Show them how clean the rim is on this thing. Just super straight, never been bashed off the rocks. The pipe is perfectly straight. The original side covers are in mint condition. When it came to us, it had the original graphics on it still. They were looking a little discolored, so we put a fresh set of reproduction graphics on there. Look at all the hardware on the engine. It's never been apart. It runs like brand new. The shocks are in mint shape. The swing arm has no damage. They're usually all scuffed up. The rear wheel looks like new. The chain has been upgraded to a new gold chain. The kickstand is still intact. They're usually long gone. Has the spring still showing the original chrome finish or zinc or whatever they put on them from the factory. Still looks great. Still has a sticker on the Kawasaki sticker right there. Well, those are for the pressurized gas shock remotes. They're usually long gone, those stickers. They're usually worn out from heat. And well, Kevin just preserved this thing like brand new. And it's absolutely the finest one I've ever seen. I don't know if I'll ever get another one quite this nice. Beautiful piece. If you have any questions about it, give us a call. Check this out. So it has the original Kawasaki, off-highway use only, Kawasaki Heavy Industries original taillight and lens. The original headlight works beautifully on the bike. 572 miles. Really, really looks like it just came out of a time capsule, guys. You're not going to find a nicer one. Of course, the Pro Taper has a Pro Taper crossbar pad on there. It's absolutely a museum quality piece. It needs nothing. It'll be on display in the museum if you want to come take a look at it. If you have any questions about it, give us a call. Junior can ship this thing to you right to your door. We offer financing. And we're also selling the motorcycles on the KaplanCycles.com website. There's been some issues listing on eBay. The listing tool's been down for a couple months. So it'll be, if they come back up, it'll be on eBay. But we'll have it listed on the Kaplan Cycles site, or give Junior a call at 860-454-7024 if you want to buy it. This one, pretty much irreplaceable. Show them the DOT tags on the rim there, original, and it says 10 of 79 to your right there. See what it says, 10 of 79. Remarkable. They just don't exist like this. The kicker is like brand new. Like I said, you're not going to find a nicer one. Idles beautifully. This is the ultimate bike for trail riding. If you want to do any vintage off-road events, this would be the perfect bike to take to Mid-Ohio or to MX Rewind at Unadilla. Do some hair scrambles and some moto. This is a spectacular machine. Thanks for watching. God bless America.